we're going to look at Spreadsheets exercise 6. And here is a spreadsheet that I've made that copies the one in the book. However, we need to do some formatting. By the way, I'm doing this in Microsoft Excel this time. If you're looking at previous ones in the series, they were done in Google Sheets. This one is in Excel. So let's do some formatting so that it matches the one in the book. All right, that looks a bit better. So let's put in some formulas. So we want to get the quantity of cheese sandwiches times the price of the cheese sandwich. So the formula will be equals, and it's simply that cell times that cell. Just click on them and hit enter, and it says 5. And we do the same for each one. We don't have to write it out again because it's the same formula. We can just copy it down by grabbing the little guy down here. Drag it down, and there we go. Let's fix up the formatting. 2 decimal places. There we go. Now we want total. So equals sum, open bracket, select our range, close the bracket. There we go. $8.80. Let's bold that because totals we bold. Money enclosed is $10, and I forgot to put this in before. Let's format it to 2 decimal places. 2, and the change is the formula equals that cell minus that cell. Answer $1.20. And that there is the whole exercise. Done.